Hello, welcome back. The video topic today we are going to discuss is about black color motion or black stool. This is usually patients come to the doctor and say, doctor, suddenly my motion color has changed. So when they say it's a dark color motion is different, black color motion is different. Dark color is mainly because of there is less water in the motion, or because of dehydration, or because of some treatment, some medications. The motion becomes dry, so it can give you a very dark color. But if it is black color, then it needs some attention. So black color motion or black color stool, it could be a simple phenomenon, or it could be because of the diseases. The simple things are all mainly because iron supplements. So people with anemia, they go to the doctor prescribes iron tablets. When they take, the color of the motion can change into black. But mostly they will have a history, other history, like have a gastritis, constipation, bloated feel, and even sometimes they say I can feel the smell of a stale food inside the stomach. That's what they usually say. So iron supplements can cause a black color motion. The second is the food what we take. Beetroots, first, the common thing, black licorice, then berries, blueberries, even dark chocolates. If taken too much, the motion color can change into black color. But nothing to worry. Then if the doctor prescribes medicines like bismuth, usually is given for gastritis or ulcer. So the bismuth, when they taken, the motion color can change into black, or even the tongue can change into black color. So these are the simple reasons for black color motion. What are the diseases that can cause? The first and foremost is any ulcer, bleeding ulcer. So ulcer can happen in the stomach or the foot pipe or even the small intestine. When it bleeds, especially in the upper part of the gastrointestinal tract, bleeding ulcers, they mix with acid, they become acid emitting, and when they travel down to the small intestine colon, the nutrients are absorbed, and the motion, the color of the blood becomes black. That's why it's called black tarry stool, like a tar, real tar kind of real black color. Smaller the quantity, smaller the bleeding. Larger the quantity, larger the bleeding. So usually ulcer patients, with this, they will have signs and symptoms of ulcer, like abdomen pain, bloated feel, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, these kinds. Even sometimes they vomit blood. Other reasons like tumors. Suppose there is a tumor in the cancerous tumor, or even non-malignant tumors in the foot pipe or stomach. When they bleed, they can cause black color motion. But usually they will have other signs and symptoms like pain in the chest area, throat area, difficulty in swallowing, loss of appetite, and loss of weight, very significant. Or even they can't even swallow the saliva sometimes, if there is a foot pipe tumors in cancers. And if there is a tumor in the stomach, then again on clinical examination they may have a lump in the stomach, loss of appetite, loss of weight, pain. All these things could be because of stomach tumors or cancer. The other reason is non-stop vomiting or non-stop cough, especially in children or thin individuals. They have a heavy cough, or non-stop vomiting. So what happens is the foot pipe, there is a small tear happens with that's called Mallory-Weiss syndrome. That can cause bleeding. They can vomit, or most of the time the motion comes as a black color one. And the treatment part, especially when we say blood thinners, aspirin, they can irritate the stomach, and they can cause bleeding. And again, ulcer, they can cause ulcer and then bleeding. And alcohol causing stomach ulcer, or peptic diseases, acid peptic diseases causing bleeding. H. pylori infection, they can again cause gastric ulcers causing bleeding. They can also present as black color motion. And other thing is varices, esophageal varices or stomach varices. They are nothing but varices are nothing but enlarged blood vessels, veins especially. When they bleed, it will be torrential bleed. Either they vomit or the motion comes as black tarry stool. But usually they have a history of liver diseases, liver cirrhosis, alcohol intake, alcoholic cirrhosis, or liver jaundice, or liver other diseases. They can cause varices, causing bleeding. So black color motion, when to worry. So suppose there is a black color motion with loss of appetite, loss of weight, bloated feel, too much every day, or high quantity of black color motion, then it becomes very significant. You need to immediately consult your doctor, and then probably they may examine you, ask some questions, and the first and foremost what they do is a motion test, a stool test for frank blood, or even occult blood. So if that is positive, they go for upper GI endoscopy, colonoscopy, scan, CT scan, all these things, or even the physical examination is very, very important. Sometimes it can happen from the lower GI bleed, like piles, but usually they will be brick red, they won't be black color. So they will rule out anything and everything. So black color motion, it could be because of your diet, it's because of your medications, or it could be because of your anemia treatment. And these are all when you stop these medications, or when you stop taking this food, the color changes automatically within 24 hours to 48 hours usually, and most of the time your motion for blood is negative. But in diseases, the motion blood is positive, occult blood is positive, or frank blood is positive. Usually if you have anemia, weight loss, a loss of appetite, pain abdomen with black color motion, immediately contact your doctor, consult your doctor, and get treated. Thank you.